Amazon selling, the big picture. Any individual business that can correctly research the market to find a frequently needed solution, or a product that offers that solution, cheaply source that solution, or the product that offers that solution, in a generally acceptable quality, get it cheaply delivered to Amazon FBA with the fastest speed possible, list it on Amazon. By creatively embedding the keywords which people are using to find that solution to drive the on Amazon traffic, cheapest available eyeballs, write a copy that can convince them it is the solution they have been looking for, at a price people are willing to pay for that solution, to get that solution delivered quickly to them and be satisfied with it. It will make the most sales and the profits. Now ask yourselves, are you that individual business? Or are you that professional who could help other individuals' businesses find answers to help with successfully achieve the big picture above? Because if you are one of the two above, you are going to make a lot of money. All you have to do is to keep the eyes on this big picture at all times. The rest is all noise, so avoid wasting your energies on things that are not part of this big picture. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel.